CUSU BME Campaign stands for the Cambridge University Student Union Black Minority Ethnic Campaign.
It's a liberation campaign, which is one of several under the CUSU umbrella, and then we work within the BME community here in Cambridge. One thing that we've learned about working in this campaign is that collective voices are really powerful. Because there's so few of us often in Cambridge, we feel very scattered and isolated. So this campaign has given us a chance to come together, use our voices for a greater good.
And essentially, our community is like a family where we all work together to help each other with our workload and tasks. What's next for the BME campaign is raising transparency about the PREVENT strategy. It's not a very transparent policy, and we want to raise awareness and work very closely with colleges to ensure that Muslim students are not disproportionately stigmatised under it.
We're also really anxious to make sure that language is accessible here, and for that reason we would like to hold talks and forums so that we have the ability to talk to people who are in the same boat as us, who are academics of colour, who feel the same way that we do, and allow us to access the language that we need to express and articulate our struggles. You can find out more about BME CUSU campaign on Facebook,
Twitter
and Instagram.
Big up your chest.
So as the street dance team, our main focus is competing nationally against other universities. We also do Mabel performances and perform in the CUTAZZ dance show, and we also set up regular workshops that are kind of open to anyone in Cambridge to take part in.
We cover a wide range of styles, including hip-hop, commercial, dancehall, Afrobeats, breakdancing.
So I really enjoyed Street Team because it's taught me to balance my work and my extracurriculars, but it also doesn't actually feel like an extracurricular commitment. It just feels like I'm getting together with my friends and just having a dance, feels like when you go to the club.
The thing I've enjoyed the most is the incredible amount of diversity in the team. In a team of 20 people, we have 13 different nationalities and we have people from all sorts of degrees. And I think that what that has taught me is to push completely outside of my boundaries, push beyond what I'm comfortable with and learn from others.
So if you want to find out more about Street Team, we have auditions in early October and they are open to everyone. If you enjoy dance, no matter if you've danced before, come along because it will just be the best thing I ever did. I was a beginner when I went along. Also, the CUTAZZ Facebook page covers the street dance team too, and the Instagram page as well, and just all the socials.
So the aim of our society is fundraising for Unicef, but also raising awareness of Unicef's work. And because we're pretty new, only started in 2017, we've been able to do loads of stuff from scratch, which has been amazing. One of my favourite things about Unicef Society has been meeting amazing people, not just on the committee, but also at Unicef HQ and at Unicef Societies all over the country at different universities. Being president of Unicef Society has really helped me learn how to work with people, how to motivate people, how to come together as a team, and also how to raise the most money possible when you're on a tiny shoestring budget. In the future, Unicef Society just hopes to keep expanding into every college and really putting on so many more activities and helping raise even more money. If you want to get involved, you can search UNICEF in Cambridge on Facebook and on Instagram, or find us at the Freshers' Fair.
What's really exciting about the Wilberforce Society is that for most students it's their first opportunity to get involved in policy paper writing, research, and really seeing their work have an impact for the first time.
An example of where we've been very impactful is that we wrote a policy paper that advised the Tunisian government on their constitution, which is now in use.
So we also had a policy paper related to Brexit, and that was like a really big paper because we had basically sort of different teams looking at the different impact of Brexit, and that was something that was pushed forth in in Parliament as well, so that's something that we're really proud of in the society.
We also run panel events for each of our policy papers in which we bring together experts on the subject of the paper, and then every February we run our annual Wilberforce conference where we bring together a large different group of world experts in different areas together to discuss various policy issues.
The Union is Cambridge Debating Society. It was founded in 1815, so it's more than 200 years old now. We have debates every week where we bring in famous people, interesting speakers, and we also have really regular speakers events where we have, for example, prime ministers or famous actors who come in and speak to us about the work they're doing, and it's really exciting. So in the next 6 to 12 months, the union is moving in a couple of interesting directions. We have access initiatives to bring disadvantaged students to the union, teach them how to debate, get them involved in what we're doing. Also, we're going to have a lot more BME speakers coming, so we're going to widen the perspective we're going to hear of the union, and also we're opening the union up, which means that you're going to get to hear behind the scenes from the speakers that come and visit us, and it's going to be a lot more exciting in the next few months. So looking forward to seeing you.